Hello dear students, let us start a new lesson of Social Studies of Class 4, Lesson 8 Industries. The name of our new lesson is Industries. Have you heard about the word industries? What are industries? Industries are a group of manufacturing units where different types of products are made. Industries are a group of manufacturing units where different types of things or products are made. Industries are a group of manufacturing units. We get many things from nature. Some of them can be used in their natural form, but some cannot. Can we use wool, tea, cotton in the form of nature gives them to us? No, we cannot. We have to change them to finished products such as wool or woolen cloths, tea dust or tea leaves and cotton cloths. This process of changing things into finished products is carried in industries. The process of changing things or raw materials into finished products are carried out in industries. What is a raw material? A raw material is a basic material from which a product is made. A raw material is a basic material from which a product is made. The another word of raw material is unprocessed material. So, raw materials are changed into finished products in industries. Children, do you know industries play a vital role in the development of a country. Industries play an important role in the development of nation. Agricultural implements like tractors, drills are made in factories. At the same time, industries depend on agriculture for several things. Farmers depend on industries for agricultural implements such as tractors, drills, etc. At the same time, industries also depend on agriculture for getting their raw materials. So, we can say industries and agriculture are interdependent. Then, children, can you name some things that you can see at your home that made in factories or industries? The gas stove, refrigerator, television, sewing machine, grinder, washing machine, etc. are made in factories. After independence, our government is giving very important in the development of industries. As a result, India has made a great progress in the field of industries. In India, some industries are mineral based. Some industries are mineral based. Example, iron and steel industry and cement industry. They are mineral based industries. Then some others are agricultural based. Some others are based on agriculture. Example, sugar industry and textile industry. Sugar industry and textile industry are based on agriculture. Then there are mainly 3 types of industries in India. India has 3 types of industries. They are large scale industry, small scale industry and cottage industry, which are the 3 major types of industries in India. They are large scale industries, small scale industries and cottage industries. Next, let us discuss about these different types of industries one by one in detail. The first one is large scale industries. In large scale industries, the manufacturing work is done on large scale. In large scale industries, the manufacturing work is done on large scale, and thousands of people work in large scale industries. Thousands of skilled people are work in large scale industries. Big investment is required to run these large scale industries. A large amount of money and large machineries are needed to run large scale industries. Then now let us learn about some important large scale industries in India. The first one is iron and steel industry. This is the most important of all our industries. Iron and steel industries is one of the most important industry in India. We know that all industries need machineries to run their factory. All industries need machineries to make their products or things. So, all the machines required for other industries are made in steel and iron industries. Next, let us see some important steel and iron industries in India. Before independence, we were having only 3 steel and iron industries. They are Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Burupur in West Bengal and Bhadravati in Karnataka. Once again, before independence, we were having only 3 steel and iron industries. They are Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Burupur in West Bengal and Bhadravati in Karnataka. Then after independence, many more steel plants or steel factories have come up. They are Durgapur in West Bengal, Rourkela in Orissa, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh and Salem in Tamil Nadu. What are the iron and steel industries? Where are iron and steel industries or industries located in India? In India, the iron and steel industries are located in Jamshedpur, Burupur, Bhadravati and we also have Durgapur, Rourkela, Bhilai and Salem. Next important industry, large scale industry is cotton textile industry. Textile industry is the oldest and the largest industry in our country. Textile industry is the oldest and largest country in our country. Do you know cotton textile is the India is the largest producer of cotton textile in the world. Then the most of our cotton mills are situated in Maharashtra and Gujarat and cotton is widely cultivated in the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Cotton is the raw material that is used to make clothes. Now I said raw material is a basic material from which a product is made and cotton is the raw material that is used in the cotton textile industries. And besides the cotton textile industry, we also have silk textile, woolen textile and jute mills. Now let us discuss another important large scale industry in India. Sugar industry. Sugar industry is the second largest industry in our country. Now we have studied that textile industry is the oldest and the largest industry in India. Then sugar industry is the second largest industry in our country and we have about 270 sugar mills in India. There are about 270 sugar mills in India and half of these mills are located in Uttar Pradesh. Do you know Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of sugarcane in India and sugarcane is the raw material that is used in sugar industry and from sugarcane we get jaggery and sugar. From sugarcane we can produce jaggery and sugar and sugarcane is the raw material that is used in sugar industry. Another important industry that is in India is paper industry. The first paper mill in India was started in 1870 in West Bengal. The first paper mill in India was started in 1870 in West Bengal. Till 1947 we had very few paper mills. But at present there are more than 75 paper mills in our country. At present, we have more than 75 paper mills in India. The raw materials that is used in paper industries are bamboo and softwood. The raw materials that is used in paper industry are bamboo and softwood. Then another important large scale industry is cement industry. Cement is become the most important component in the construction work. Cement is the most important component in construction work. And we need cement to build buildings, houses, factories and roads. Let's see the raw materials that is used in cement industries. Limestone, clay and gypsum are the raw materials that are used in cement industries. Once again, limestone, clay and gypsum are the raw materials are used in cement industries. And coal is used as fuel to provide heat in cement industry. Cement industries are located in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Where are cement factories located in India? In India, cement factories are located in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Now we have studied about large scale industries in detail. The next important industries in India is small scale industries. In large scale industries, we need thousands of skilled workers. But in small scale industries, we need very less number of workers or laborers. And a small scale industry does not require large investment. Compared to large scale industry, the small scale industries need very less investment and they use very small machineries. Then the products such as utensils, electrical goods, garments or clothes, safety pins, plastic goods are made in small scale industries. The products that are made in small scale industries are utensils or vessels, electrical goods, garments or clothes, safety pins, plastic goods, soap, shampoo, etc. Then another type of industry in India is cottage industries. Cottage industries are mostly run by the members of the family, and they need, compared to small scale industry, they need very less investment. They need very less money to run cottage industries. People work with simple tools and most of their work done by hands. Then the products that is made in cottage industries are toys, carpets, shoes, embroidery, handloom cloth and other handicrafts. Once again, toys, carpets, shoes, embroidery, handloom cloth and other handicrafts are made in cottage industries. Now we have discussed about three major industries in India. Which are they? They are large scale industries, next one is small scale industries and cottage industries. Next, let us discuss some factories in India. Our factories. The Hindustan Machine Tools Limited, HMT. What is the full form of HMT? The Hindustan Machine Tools Limited is one of the oldest factories in our country. The Hindustan Machine Tools Limited or HMT is one of the oldest factory in India, and it makes tractors, watches and printing machines. Tractors, watches and printing machines are made in the Hindustan Machine Tools Limited or HMT factories. The first HMT factory was started in Bangalore. At present, HMT has units in Hyderabad, Pinjore and Kalamassery. Another important factory is the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited or BHEL. The full form of BHEL is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. Huge electrical machines like transformers, turbines and generators are made in BHEL. The huge electrical machines such as transformers, turbines and generators are made by BHEL, and it has units in Bhopal, Tiruchirappalli, Hyderabad and Hardwar. India also makes aeroplanes and engines for the railways. The Chittaranjan locomotives in West Bengal makes steam and electric engines. The Chittaranjan locomotives, which is located in West Bengal, makes steam and electrical railway engines. There is a factory at Varanasi which produces diesel engines. Then Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, HAL. The full form of HAL is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited at Bangalore makes small size planes. Small size planes are made at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL. And we also have shipbuilding yards in Mumbai, Kochi and Visakhapatnam. We have shipbuilding yards in Mumbai, Kochi and Visakhapatnam. Then passengers coaches are made at Perambur near Chennai and Kapurthala in Punjab. Passengers coaches are made at Perambur, which is located nearby Chennai, and Kapurthala in Punjab. When a country's agriculture and industrial production increase, there are many advantages. There are many advantages when a country's agricultural and industrial production increases. The first one is, first of all, more goods become available at low cost. More goods are available at very cheap price. Secondly, the standard of the people will increase. The standard of living of the people rises. Thirdly, a worldwide recognition and support is received. We get worldwide recognition, approval and support. Then our country has made a tremendous progress in the field of industry. Our country has made a tremendous development in the progress in the field of industry after independence. Children, I hope you all understood this lesson well. Read the textbook several times for better understanding. Complete the exercises that is given in the textbook and also complete your notebook. If you are having any doubt regarding this lesson, contact me. Thank you. See you in the next class.